These days, the new normal is uncertainty. Who would have thought 3 months into the pandemic, we are still in a holding pattern? We're all trying to find some semblance of normalcy. But what does that look like? What does major gift fundraising look like? Here's what I'm hearing. Nonprofit leaders struggle to know the conversations with donors after a second and third check-in. Fundraisers feel paralyzed. Board members are hesitant to approve normal activity. Not all donors like or are comfortable with video conferencing. So you're thinking, how am I supposed to raise money right now? What do my major gift fundraising strategies look like? Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. I provide overwhelmed leaders of small nonprofits with a roadmap to raise more money through major gifts. Before I continue, be sure to sign up below to catch these and other weekly fundraising tips and strategies. Nonprofit leaders have made numerous love calls to donors, but what's the next step? How are you supposed to raise money in this environment of uncertainty with no end in sight? Funds allow you to advance your nonprofit's mission and overcome budget shortfalls. Let's talk about major gift fundraising strategies and what's working today. First of all, we know that trusted relationships are vital to fundraising success, certainly with major gift fundraising. So it's time to revisit your fundraising strategies so you can raise money for your organization during this time of instability. Here are 3 top strategies that are a must. Number 1, build stronger rapport with your current donors. Donors are answering their phones, engaging in deeper conversations, and revealing their passions toward your organizations. That means nonprofits find donors are spending more time asking and answering questions and disclosing their motivations for giving. Continue to utilize this time to call individuals, especially those aged 50 and older, your ideal major donors, while they are still readily available to chat. Strengthen your connection and get to know your donors better. You don't want to look back a year from now and wished you had made personal phone calls to each and every one of those on your top 100 prospect list because you didn't. Today, go deeper with your relationships with your major donors. Number 2, use this time to populate your database. It's amazing what fundraisers can gather from long conversations with donors. At times, fundraisers are confirming what they already knew about a donor's interest. Other times, new discoveries are made. Either way, you are in a win situation and can fill your database with a great deal of valuable information about your donors. Number 3, last, ask for major gifts over the phone. You can't meet in person, right? So what? Have old-fashioned phone calls to seek support. Donors know you and are comfortable discussing a gift with you over the phone. Ditch new technology momentarily. Know that donors do not want a face-to-face meeting with you, and many are not tech-savvy and don't want to spend the time learning video conferencing. In that case, go with what donors are most comfortable with, the phone. For current donors, you have already established relationships. Assuming you've continued cultivating your current donors over the last few months, give them a call. Ask if they are interested in discussing a major gift. Let them know you have something in particular in mind for them. If interested, set up a time to discuss the gift over the phone and have others join the call as appropriate. In summary, nonprofit leaders are trying to figure it out during this crazy time of uncertainty. You are not alone. Stay connected with your donors and push forward in making ask by asking for major gifts over the phone. It's working. By the way, if you have not downloaded my free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template, it's a great resource. To do so, simply, number 1, click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. 2, select Get Free Plan on the bright green button. And 3, download your free fundraising plan. Check it out. If you found this valuable, please like it, share it, comment, tell others about it. Thanks. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.